So we're back to make our creme fraiche, and we've got Chef Paul Jr. here on dessert duty, and you're going to teach us how to whip, this is 33% heavy cream, into a beautiful, light, fluffy dessert.
So he's going to put some muscle in there and just continue whipping until you start seeing some peaks. What you're doing when you're whisking it is adding air into the cream, and that's how it converts into whipping cream.
So if you were to do this with skim milk, you would never get to this point because it's the fat that allows,
You have to do it fast.
right? It allows the whipping cream to sort of incorporate air. And you might say, well, whipping cream's not on my list because I'm on a healthy, hard diet. You're right, in large quantities, having something that is higher fat like this, it can impact our cholesterol, but if you have it in small quantities, like we're going to showcase here, it's actually just a wonderful way to bring joyful eating into your life and to add a lot more flavor to your dishes. You're doing great. I see potential here. Potential is building.
Let me do a little bit. So this just takes me back to when I was a young cook and a chef, right? Like we used to do a lot of sauces from scratch, and my chef, he was a certified Red Seal certified chef, and then later he became a SCCC chef. So I had a really great mentor, but like we have to do hollandaise for like 100 people every weekend, you know?
Yeah.
So hand whisking this kind of stuff just brings me back to like the first days, you know? You can see it's already
Oh my
starting to
gosh, you're a
thicken,
magician.
right?
You are a magician. I'm looking at your wrist. It's all in the wrist.
Yeah.
And what you're also saying is when you're starting out as a chef, you do the same thing, like you make the same sauce over and over and over again, so you could really perfect it.
So here, like we're doing a bit more traditional. So instead of sugar, we have the maple syrup. Go ahead, Polly, dump it in. So it's the natural sugars that we're adding, right?
Beautiful.
Yeah. It's gonna get messy.
That's
There's nothing
okay.
we can do about
No,
it. Yeah.
that's part of the cooking process. This is like a fun thing to do with your family, so you can all take turns with your household.
Yeah. And when like we used to do so much of this, but on large scales, so
Oh my
you would have
gosh.
to use like both hands, you know.
Yeah. And then you raise your little utensil there and you know what kind of stage you're at, right?
Yeah.
Double check, yeah.
See, you got the peaks forming, right?
Yeah, wonderful.
So another minute, I think that's good. Good job, Bobby.
Yeah, that's amazing. Look at you go.
This is a lot of work.
You know what? Making things delicious takes some effort, but it's worth it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope.
Just joking.
He's tough.
Wow.
He's tough. And if you're, you know, someone who's struggling with energy levels, you can always use a mixer. Is that right, Paul,
Yep.
to do the work?
A KitchenAid or a hand blender, whatever you have that's available, right? It'll make it 10 times faster.
Perfect. Thank you. That's a great tip.
Looks awesome, buddy. Way to go.
And I like how he switches arms too. Like, that's smart. That's just smart.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good, bud. Way to go. So again, like take a scoop of it up.
And it's
show
sticking
us.
to the spatula, right? So you
Yeah.
know you're ready.
Yeah.
It's not dripping.
Way to go, dude.
Amazing. So we're going to use this creme fraiche as part of our dessert feature that we're going to put together for you shortly.